Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have the Subaru Crosstrek 2023 and in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the battery. So let's get started. So this is the original battery and it's been 4 years, so it's already starting to fail. So we bought a new one. Right, so this is the battery that I bought, the 640cc. I'm gonna leave the link down below here in the description so you can get the same battery. Let's disconnect the negative. Oh, this one. This one is a number 10 wrench. There we go. So now let's take off the positive. There we go. Alright. Now let's take off the bracket right here, this one. Look, and there's the rod. I'll take it later. Right, for this side, just push it down and then pull it up. So you take off the hook down there. That's it. All right, here is the battery. I'll take it away. Okay, I'm just putting back the protective case. This back. Right there, with this, just like this. So the positive terminal gotta be facing the engine. Alright, so let's put back the bracket. So to do so, right here. Okay. So you gotta insert the hook. You gotta insert it in that hole down there. There we go. Perfect. Okay, now this side, right here. There we go. Now up here, gotta put the nut. The bracket has been tied. Now we can take off the pole protectives right here. Let's connect the positive. It goes right here. Perfect. And then the negative is right here. Okay, that's enough. Now the positive. Okay, that's enough. Now let's put back the cover for the positive, just like this. Let's attach these cables with this clamp. It's right here. Perfect. Alright, this is it. This is how you change the battery in this Subaru Crosstrek 2023, guys. If you have liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. As always, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.